HP Laserjet Pro 400 ink cartridge and paper replacement. So to do the ink cartridge, you want to pull it forward, get it into a comfortable spot, and then you're going to push this button right here and pull this forward. And then this is your ink cartridge, this blue thing. Yours might be any color, black, another purple color, I don't know, but you pull it out like that. It comes as this whole thing, and then we'll gently set this to the side. Here's my new one I got. This is the brand and the part number. I'm gonna link a couple different options in the description to Amazon to get. You can get like 2 packs, 4 packs, or just one. Anyways, you're gonna pull your new one out. It has these little pull papers. It also has this long like tape thing right here. I'm gonna show you how to pull this out in a sec. Get anything like this, like packaging, you just take it off of here. And then this guy, I pulled it and it goes for a while. It kind of feels almost like unnatural, like you're not supposed to be pulling it, but I guess that covers the ink spot. So anyways, that just comes all the way out. Try not to like pull it so hard that it rips. Just pull it out slowly and gently, and then your ink cartridge should be ready to install. It just goes in like that. You want to be very patient and just line it up and push it in place, and then you could close this like that. The top screen, it'll say like initializing, and then after like maybe like 30 seconds, it'll just go away and go back to normal with the green light up on in the corner. I printed out a paper just to make sure it's all good. And then that's it for the ink cartridge. Now the paper, you just pull this little tray out and put your paper in, and then just push it back in, and that's how you do your paper. Pretty simple. There's a message on the desktop that kept saying my ink cartridge is low. It took about 5 prints before that message went away. Other than that, that's how you do it, guys. Your paper also has this little meter right here. If it's full, that little thing will go up and down depending on how much paper you have. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.